In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a Dunkin' gift card to app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Registering your Dunkin' gift card, regardless of how much balance you have to the app on your account, is extremely simple. It's one of the primary functions, and you will be able to do it with the same steps on an Android device or an iOS device. You are only going to need the card number and the PIN number, which can be found at the back of the Dunkin' card. So you will be able to register a physical card or an e-gift card. All that you have to do is open the latest version of the Dunkin' mobile app and of course sign into the account where you want to redeem the card. Make sure that you remember the account credentials because you will need to sign into the account later when you want to redeem the funds on the gift card. So once you sign into an account using the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen, all that you have to do is go into Scan/Pay. In that menu, the option to add a new card is going to be immediately visible. So at the top, you have the option to pay with app or pay another way. It doesn't matter which one you select as long as you go into either menu and you choose the Add a Dunkin' card button, as you can see highlighted here in pink. So when you choose that option, like I said in the beginning of the video, you will then be able to include the card number and the PIN number. You will get an image for reference on where to find these numbers, and if you were gifted an electronic or e-gift card, you will have those credentials when you go over to the email or message referring to Dunkin' and the gift card. So once you include all of these details, the card will be registered and you will be able to manage it inside of the app. You will get a notification telling you how much balance you have earned, and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish. You will then be able to place orders on Dunkin', and it is extremely simple to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Dunkin' gift card on the app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.